So suppose there is this triangle with three angles A, B, C, and there are three ants sitting on each of the angle, say ant number 1, 2 and 3. Now each of these three ants decides to move in any one particular direction. We are not sure which particular direction that is, but we have to calculate the probability of collision. Example, ant number 1 decides to move here to point B, and ant number 3 also decides to move this way to the angle B. In that case, there would be a collision here. So we have to calculate the probability of collisions. So let us do this mathematically. Suppose ant number 1 is at A, so it would decide to go to either B or either C. After that, the ant number 2 is at B, so it can decide to go either at A or either at C. After that, the ant number 3 is currently at position C, so it can decide to go to either A or either B. So our total number of possibilities are 8. Out of that, the possibilities for collision are here, where two ants are at A, here, where two ants are at B, here, where again two ants are at B, here, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So there are 6 out of 8 possibilities for collision, which is 3 by 4, which is 0.75% probability of collision, and 0.25% probability that there will be no collision, because there are just two scenarios here and here where there will be no collision.